Hi, literature lovers. So the last week only goes till Friday. I am supposed to end the semester Thursday night at midnight. If we were in person, that's when that would end. Our class would end. But I'm giving you Friday midnight to do all the assignments that you're either rewriting, and I do allow rewrites for the fiction paper. For Ly6, you can rewrite it. The only thing you can't get more grades for the live discussions because of like class time, and the quizzes, which you can do the extra credit if you really bombed out on a quiz, right? So appreciate your hard work. If you want to come in and talk about spring or talk about literature or talk about anything, the office hours, 11 a.m. And the final discussion boards, and then the final exam is nothing you need to study for, but I need to give you one. So it's more like a review, if you will, of the material in there. So do your best writing in it, right? And you'll have 2 hours, but at the end of the day, it's not something that's you're going to have to memorize anything from the stories. It's more of a reflective in-class essay, so to speak. And then the final paper. So, any questions, let me know. And I know 5 weeks, a lot of you have just done a commendable job in keeping up with this rate. And I hope I've kept up with the grading. I should have grading done by next week. I'm setting a time a week from Friday. All grades will be turned in. I'm going to grade everything. I'm going to send you a announcement saying everything is graded. Check your grade book. And then I'm going to give you 24 hours to check your grade book. Now, until I send out that announcement, I wouldn't worry about, he hasn't graded my final paper yet. If I haven't sent the final announcement out and look for it, that everything's graded, then I'm still in the process of grading your extra credit, rewrites, final exams, all that stuff. Okay? Okay. Plow on.